Hi everyone, this is Rita. Welcome to Ubukuli Space. Today's episode is a little bit of soul and gospel. Please do enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
In another lifetime, with days of a happy ending again, like it happened in the last time. Uthando lwethu luvela kancane, vela ngeke bajabula. Uthando lwi-spiritual coalition, nomuntu ongamazi. Mina ngisemathandweni, inhliziyo yami uyibonisa amafilima. Mina ngisemathandweni, ikhanda liyaduma ngamafeeling. Ukuthanda wena feels like a movie scene. Give me, you are so easy to love. Loving you feels like a movie scene. Give me,